Pero sir, you still contest? Kasi parang in a statement last week, your lawyers parang said na you will file an MR to contest the amount.
Yes,
So will you still contest
that's
that?
the plan.
Kasi sir, anong dapat, ano lang ba dapat gawin?
Simple lang. First, there are two elements. Number one is that the calculation should be by clustered precinct. As our reading and interpretation of the rules is that the calculation must be by cluster 500 per clustered precinct. Ang ginawa ng Supreme Court is by precinct, which we don't agree with. And then the manner in which the order was given was very parang masyado kaming minadali. At kagaya ng sabi ko, mabuti na lang at yung aking maraming lumapit at nag-offer na tumulong. Okay?
Sir, ang sabi ho ng ni VP Lenny, dapat daw kayong magbayad ng kabuang gasto sa magiging kabuuan ng proceedings. Ano pong reaction po?
That's their opinion. Thank you.
Sir, sino yung dalawa? We saw 3 ROAs dun sa nag-delay. Related
There are million, but there are thousands and thousands of ROAs. We'll give you this. Ito. This is their open letter. You can.
Pero related sir to the president?
Kayo?
Are they related sir to the president po?
Well, they're ROAs, so yes. But I don't, not, again, libo-libo ang ROAs dito sa Pilipinas. Mindanao and Visayas, libo-libo. So, there are more than 100,000 of them.
Pero sir,
It's a huge family.
the names here listed are your close friends or some you don't really know but supporters?
Yes, exactly. Well, ang nanguna dyan ay yung mga, siyempre, mga kaibigan ko, yung mga malapit sa akin. At sila naman ang kagaya ng sabi ko, sila ang umikot at kumuha ng suporta, ng tulong, ng ulikta, nagtoka-toka para nga mabuo yung 33,023,000.
Sir, the decision came so sudden. Parang today lang din po nabuo yung 33 million na...
36 million.
36 million.
Yes. Parang ganun na nga. Dahil walang bangko nung Webes, walang bangko nung Biyernes, hindi kami makapag-comply dahil hindi kami pero buti na lang at tininabaho nila over the whole. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.